Paano nga ba ibalik yung mga deleted post natin sa ating Facebook page? Step 1, click mo lang yung 3 lines in the left side.
Wow!
Step 2, settings and privacy. Step 3, settings. Step 4, activity log. Step 5, click nyo lang yung trash.
What?
Step 6, click mo lang yung 3 dots in the right side. And lastly, pwede mo na i-click yung restore to profile. Thank you guys!